Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So I am here today to share the final product of my design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures, and you will find all of her information and links in the description box below, along with links to the other designers for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. So I had made this journal with the Crystals and Pearls kit, Ruffles and Roses, and it happens to be my very first Crystals and Pearls kit. So very excited to work with the elements in that kit. So if you guys watched the other videos, all I did was just layered up a bunch of lace here for the front cover, and we do have this hanging down at the bottom here, and then I did use these two pieces here that were in the kit for the closure, so it's just a loose closure on there. And then on the front I put a hand-dyed light pink. It's more like a, well, you could tell it's more like a I don't really know, like a blush pink applique that I had in my stash, a little pink rosette flower there. And then these little things, guys, I have no idea what you call them, but those I had actually had in my stash as well, along with this beautiful bow here that I made and some bling in the middle. And then we have some applique going around the top that was from a vintage wedding dress, and this bow is actually made out of some pink chiffon silk. So we will go ahead and get right into it. As you can see, she is full of loveliness there, poking out the edges. So this is the inside cover. I thought about doing a like a pocket or something here, but I was so in love with this I decided just to leave it the way that it was. This right here is a glassine bag, and I just put some lace that I had in my stack there, and there is a big oversized journaling card in there with this lace, a vintage wedding applique, a couple of bows, and then we put some little diamond bling there and some going down the edges, some pink trim there. So that just tucks inside that glassine bag there. And then this is a page from her Ruffles and Roses kit. And then over here I made a pocket with some trim that I had in my stash, and took one of the postcards from the kit and put a blush pink applique up here and a vintage wedding applique there. So that just tucks, and I did ink around all of this, guys, with some distress ink. And then we have a white dolly there. Made a pocket with some lace here that has these goodies hanging off the side here. I just love that trim. I've used it several times. And then this is another postcard from the kit. Love this postcard. It is the luggage, and just put a little piece of bling trim up here and a piece of lace in that pocket. And then we come over here and we've made another lace pocket here. Another one of the postcards from the kit layered up here with another vintage wedding dress applique. Here, some trim up here, and then some bling. This is another page from that beautiful kit. And then this is just a coffee dyed glassine bag, and I just hot glued some lace there. And this is another piece of ephemera from the kit. Just put a little bit of lace there and did some inking, so that tucks in there. This is some avocado dyed paper that was in my stash. And then I've took the lace trim here, as well as this piece here with the butterflies on it, layered it together and made a pocket. And in here, this is also from one of Doreen's kits, and we have an applique here, a rosette here, and then one of these that were in my stash. And that heart just pokes in there. And then that's just the flap of the envelope that was in the kit, the Crystals and Pearls kit, and just a piece of script, coffee dyed, that was in my stash. This is the, I think it's called Pink Blush Writ Dye that I dyed this glassine bag with. And again, another piece of ephemera from the kit and just some lace trim there. It's another beautiful page from the kit. This is the center spread. How beautiful is that digital? I couldn't cover it up. I love it so much. I just couldn't cover it up. I thought about doing pockets, but yeah, I could not cover that up. This is the other side of that pink Writ dye, and I just made a little snippet here with some lace, and then one of the elements from the kit there. Little piece of bling trim, and that's just on a ball pen, and it is on some coffee dyed paper with script on it. Here is the envelope that was in the kit, and I just put a couple of the postcards in there. I did not back these, I just left them the way that they were, and they just slide in there. And then we have another heart there with a vintage applique rosette here, and another one of those up there in that lace pocket on this side. That lace trim with the butterflies on it is so pretty. I love it. And then the other side of that bag, I just did that same trim there. And this right here was actually a snippet that Doreen had made that was in the kit, so I just put it on there the way that it was. Another beautiful page from the kit. Another lace pocket here, and one of the postcards for a journaling card here. And this, I actually have a piece of sheer stuff over this, and this gold here is on there, a little bit of pink trim up there with some bling, and you lift that up and there is a vintage wedding applique there. So that just tucks in that pocket. Again, this is on avocado dyed paper. Another pocket made out of that trim I love so much there. This is another vintage wedding applique and some trim on that card that was in the kit. Just tucks in there. That white dolly. Here is another piece of trim that was in my stash. I made a pocket out of it. It's like a blush pink. Went really well with this kit. A vintage wedding applique at the top of this card that is also in the kit. So we have a journaling card there. And then there's the other side of that glassine bag. I didn't open it and make a pocket. I just put this other lace trim over here on this side. And then this is the back cover. Again, I just love this so much I couldn't cover it up. And this right here is our back cover. Alright guys, so that is my finished design team project for Doreen over at Oohlala Vintage Treasures. I want to thank you guys so much for coming along with me. I absolutely love working with Doreen's kits, and you guys will have to excuse my voice. It's like I did some training at work today, so all I did was talk. So I have talked my poor voice into submission, I guess. So that loose tie just goes there, and there we go. So pretty. Absolutely love that. Alright guys, again, thank you all so much for coming along with me. I'm not good at tying bows, but it's on there. I really enjoyed working with this kit, as I always love working with Doreen's kits. I am not sure yet if this will be for sale or not. I'm so in love with it. I am thinking about keeping it, but I'm not sure. So yeah, Doreen's links will be in the description box below. You guys go over there and check out her Etsy shop and her YouTube channel. I absolutely love watching her videos as well. And the other design team members, their links will also be in my description box please go over there and check them out, because they make some amazing items. Absolutely, just, I don't know, I'm like honored to just be included in this wonderful group of ladies. So thank you so much, Doreen, and thank you to the other designers for your support. You ladies are amazing. Alright guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.